Let's make a sensational linguine with a no-cook tuna sauce that I just know you're gonna love. This was so splendid, especially on a really warm, beautiful sunny day. It just hit the spot. It's very simple. All you do is you take some castalvetrano olives, some capers, and parsley, and you give everything a really rough chop. Well, I should actually say a fine chop, not a rough chop, fine chop. Now this was just to make 2 portions, so adjust the recipe accordingly to serve more, but this was just for lunch for 2 and it was so good. Add that to a bowl once you finally chopped it, and then you're going to grate in a clove of garlic and the zest of a half of a lemon. And then I came in here with some Calabrian chili paste, but if you don't have it, just use a pinch of hot pepper flakes or just a little bit of black pepper. That's totally fine. The juice of a full lemon, start with a half if you don't like things too lemony, but you know I love lemon. And then a can of tuna in olive oil. I had to use a different angle for this, so I apologize, along with about 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. For some reason, my overhead clip just didn't work. So anyway, add the tuna in, a little bit more oil, and then the other half of that lemon because I realized it wasn't lemon enough for me, and just mix it all together. I did add a little pinch of salt as well. Then I'm going to add some cooked linguine, make sure they're nice and al dente, along with a little bit of that starchy cooking water. And this is really key. And mix everything together for a couple of minutes without stopping, because it's that starch that's going to pretty much emulsify the sauce, and it just makes it so delicious. I love this. I love this any day, but particularly on a nice warm day. It's just so perfect, and it takes minutes to pull together. The recipe is in the caption. I hope you make it and I hope you love it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.